We had a vision for what we wanted to do with the backyard. Found Brownswood, saw that there was some good reviews online, and called them up. And within a week or two, Ryan came out and we stood here in the backyard. This backyard was just grass. It was just a lawn. There was nothing here. So Ryan and myself were out here for about 45 minutes just talking about it. My wife and myself had basics that we were looking for. The palm trees, the curving of the hardscape, the pergola, the fire pit, and then they put together the design, the layout, which came with a map and a layout on a big poster, and they also did a video. I mean, as soon as you see that, just made the whole thing even that much more real and exciting. With the help of Brownswood, it really has all come together, and we couldn't have asked for anything more. You know, Brownswood nailed it.